Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn Vocation poem. It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. This poem means here this poem describes the innocent wishes of a school-going boy who has a strong desire for freedom from the rules of daily life. Who want a strong means who want a freedom from the rules of daily life. Means this boy in this poem, this boy, young school boy, is a speaker in this poem. Okay, and he want a freedom from the rules of daily life. Okay, means whatever rules every day goes to school or every day do the homework, means from this work he want a freedom. Okay, he want a freedom, and that's why means what is going to tell. See in this poem now we are going to learn. First I would like to read the poem. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. Every day I meet the hawker crying, bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take. No place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school. I can see through the gates that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. If he gets baked in the sun or gets wet, I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman, walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. Like this way, it is a very beautiful poem. This is what that school-going boy, what his means whatever his wish, that poem means Rabindranath Tagore, he described the wish of that school-going boy, because he want a freedom from his daily life's rule. Okay, now see first see now. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. Every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles, and the speaker means that school going boy. What is saying at 10 o'clock? At 10 o'clock morning when he is walking to school. When he is walking to school on his path, by his path, okay, by his way, by his road. That time he meets a hawker in his lane. Means he meets a hawker in his road, in his path, in his way. And the hawker cries. Means hawker, he make the sound. What hawker make the sound? Bangles, crystal bangles. Means crystal means glass bangles. Okay, glass. Crystal means glass. Means he that hawker means every day when that school going boy, when that young boy goes to school, that time he met a hawker who is crying, who makes the cry sound, bangles, crystal bangles. Means it is when the gong sound, means it is a gong sound. Gong means it is a means that every day he was working, means it is a circular metal bell that make a loud noise. Circular metal bell means that bangle, for example, bangle sound, which is a gong sound, means it is draw the attention of people, means that hawker draw the attention of people while crying the bangles, crystal bangles. Okay, and then there is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. Means there is nothing to hurry him on. Means the speaker says that, means that voice says that there is nothing to hurry the hawker. There is nothing. Everyone know hawker. Hawker means those who have sell the things door to door. Okay, door to door or street to street. Means that person is called hawker. Okay, means that young boy, he feels that there is nothing to hurry the hawker's on. There is nothing, means that hawker has nothing to hurry. There is no fixed road. There is, means poet say, that speaker says that there is no fixed road he must take. Means wherever he want to go, that hawker goes to that road. Means there is no fixed road he must travel. Here there is no fixed road he must travel. Okay, and there is no place that he has go to. Means that he had not fixed the place. Okay, whatever or whenever or wherever he want to go, he goes to that path, he goes to that lane, he goes to that street. Okay, and that's why the schoolboy, means that young boy, he wishes that he was a hawker. That he was a hawker means, see, I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in road crying bangles, crystal bangles. And that's why that boy wishes that he was a hawker and calling out bangles, crystal bangles. When at 4 in the afternoon I came back from the school, and when at 4 in the afternoon I came, means there is no compulsion to come at home at 4 o'clock when if he become a hawker. Means there is no compulsion. At every day he come at home at 4 o'clock from school. But if his wish to become a hawker, and if he become a hawker, then there is no compulsion to come at home at 4 o'clock, and that's why the young boy want to become a hawker. Okay, next period we will continue the next stanza. Okay, thank you.